Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nidhi and I am a student currently studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. This video is on the topic of vector integration from the course of Mathematics for CSE stream. The contents of this video is as follows. Introduction to vector integration, vector fields, line integrals, surface integrals, and some application of vector integration. Vector integration is a fundamental concept in advanced mathematics, particularly in the fields of calculus and vector calculus. It extends the idea of simple integration, which deals with function of a single variable, to functions of multiple variables that result in a vector. This concept is crucial in understanding and solving problems in various scientific and engineering fields, including physics, engineering, and computer science. The two main types of vector integration are line integrals and surface integrals. Line integrals are used when integrating along a curve, while surface integrals are used when integrating over a surface in a three-dimensional space. What are vector fields? A vector field is a mathematical concept used in vector calculus that assigns a vector to each point in a subset of space. In other words, it's a function that maps each point in a space to a vector. Vector fields are often visualized as arrows at each point in a space, while the direction of the arrow representing the direction of the vector, and the length of the arrow representing the magnitude of the vector. Remember, vector field is a key concept for understanding vector integration, as they provide the vector that are to be integrated over a certain path or surface. Now let's see what a line integral is. A line integral is a type of vector integral where the function to be integrated is evaluated along a curve. The applications of line integrals are vast, and they are a fundamental concept in fields such as vector calculus, complex analysis, and differential topology. Line integrals are also known as path integrals. The line integral over a vector field, on the other hand, represents the work done by a vector field along a certain path. This is calculated as the sum of the products of the vector field and the differential length elements of the curve. Here is a basic formula for line integral over a scalar field and for a vector field, where C is the path or curve, f of x comma y is the scalar field, f is the vector field, dr is the differential length element vector, ds is the differential length element, and dot denotes the dot product. Moving on to surface integrals, surface integral is generalization of line integrals, where one integrates over a surface instead of along a curve. Surface integral over a scalar field is a type of integral which gives the volume under a surface above the region R in xy plane. The formula for a surface integral over a scalar field is depicted here, where S is the surface over which you are integrating, f of x, y, z is the scalar field, and ds represents an infinitesimal piece of area over the surface S. On the other hand, surface integral over a vector field is a type of integral used to calculate the flux of a vector field across a surface. The flux measures how much the field flows across the surface. In the formula of surface integral over a vector field, S is the surface over which you are integrating, whereas F is the vector field. ds is a vector whose magnitude is the area of an infinitesimal piece of the surface S and whose direction is the outward pointing normal, and dot denotes the dot product. Vector integration has a wide range of application in various fields. Here are listed some applications. In reference to physics, vector integration is used to calculate work done by a force. For instance, the work done by a force field along a certain path can be calculated using line integral. In fluid dynamics, the flux of a fluid flowing through a surface can be calculated using surface integral. This is particularly useful in understanding how fluids move and behave. In computer graphics, vector calculus and integration are used in rendering and shading techniques. Maxwell equation used vector integration to describe the interaction between electric and magnetic fields in electromagnetism. Gauss' law for magnetism states that the total magnetic flux through a closed surface is zero. In heat transfer, the rate of heat flow across a surface can be calculated using a surface integral. In structural engineering, vector integration calculates stress and strain on structures to ensure their stability and safety. Just to remind you, these are just few examples. The application of vector integration are vast and span many different fields. I would like to conclude my presentation here. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.